Most of water in the hydrosphere is found in seas and oceans, while almost 3% of water is found on the continents and in the atmosphere. So, in general, we can consider about 75% of the total surface on Earth is covered by water, but 97% of that water is present in oceans and seas. Inland water, okay, we consider them are as bodies of fresh water, only contains about 3% of the total amount of water in our planet. So there is not too much water directly um, for human purposes. However, water is not static, okay? And as we consider make we cannot make new water, and water never leaves earth. Through the water cycle there is a continual process of exchange between surface water, rainwater, and the atmosphere. So in general we can consider the water cycle as a continuous movement due to the action of two engines, the sun and the force of gravity. So the sun acts as an engine because increases the energy of water. So evaporation takes place because the activity of sun and also transpiration. However, the force of gravity acts as an engine because it transports water from the highest altitude to the lowest altitude, from highest mountains to oceans. Okay? So in general, we consider 6 processes involved in the water cycle. Evaporation. Liquid water changes to a gas. Then water passes from the hydrosphere to the atmosphere. Condensation. Water vapor cools down and changes it to liquid, forming clouds and dew. Transpiration. Plants and animals release water to the atmosphere. Precipitation. Water in the clouds falls to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. Infiltration. Surface water filters into the ground, forming groundwater. Additionally, the groundwater can run and becomes underground runoff. And finally, surface runoff. Surface water moves toward the sea under the force of gravity. Then, water from rivers and streams reach oceans.